How to change Facebook page name? First of all, make sure to switch your Facebook account to Facebook page. Then on this left panel you can see the profile. Click on it. Then from this left panel again, click on settings. Now this settings bar, click on it and you have to type in name and search for it. At the top only you will find the option of name. Click on it and after that you have to click on the view button of name. Here you need to click on edit of name and you can delete this current name and easily change the name. So if you change your name on Facebook, you won't be able to change it again for 60 days. So you have to wait for 60 days to change it again. After you have done that, you need to click on review change and easily change your Facebook page name. That's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.